I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bubble aquarium. First, gather your essential materials. You will need an air pump, an air stone, and flexible air tubing. Also, consider an air control valve for precise bubble adjustments. Choose an aquarium size that suits your space and desired bubble effect. Always ensure all components are thoroughly cleaned and safe for any aquatic inhabitants before installation. This preparation is key for a successful and healthy setup. Now, let's set up the bubble feature. Carefully place your air stone at the bottom of your aquarium, ensuring it is stable. Next, connect one end of your flexible air tubing to the air stone and the other end to your air pump. You can discreetly run the tubing along the back or sides of the tank. Consider using suction cups to secure the tubing and hide the pump for a clean, professional look. Once everything is connected, it's time to fine-tune your bubble flow. If you have an air control valve, use it to adjust the intensity of the bubbles, from a gentle stream to a vigorous cascade. Different air stone types produce various bubble sizes and patterns, so feel free to experiment. Always observe your fish's behavior to ensure they are comfortable with the new aeration level. Aim for a visually pleasing and beneficial flow. Maintaining your bubble aquarium is straightforward. Periodically remove and clean your air stone to prevent mineral buildup, which can reduce bubble output. Also, regularly inspect your air tubing for any kinks or blockages that might impede airflow. A well-maintained system ensures consistent bubble production and optimal oxygenation for your aquatic friends. Enjoy the beautiful visual effect and the healthy environment your bubble aquarium provides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.